Ready for a blast of science? Let's uncover how volcanoes erupt. Picture this. Deep inside the Earth, there's a sizzling hot zone called the magma chamber. It's like a giant underground cauldron filled with molten rock. Over time, this magma builds up pressure, kind of like shaking a fizzy drink can. When the pressure gets too intense, boom! The magma shoots up through cracks in the Earth's crust, bursting out as lava in a dramatic eruption, but that's not all. The eruption also spews out ash, gas, and volcanic rocks into the sky. This fiery show can create new landforms and even change the climate. So next time you see a volcano, remember it's not just a mountain, it's a powerful, earth-shaping force. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our planet.